Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel.
Some keep it diary, seems like a fantasy, but it may require some love and desire, something to cover me. There's never a guarantee that love.
So guys, you must have read by the title what this video is about, and if you follow me on Instagram, you might know what it is. So a couple of days ago, I posted a questionnaire in which I asked that send me questions which you are afraid to ask your female friends. And yes, I got so many good interesting questions, and I told if I get interesting questions then I'm going to answer those in my YouTube video, and here I am answering it. And I'm so excited for this one because when I did the skincare one, सब लोग मुझे बोल रहे थे boys के हमारे लिए भी कोई videos रहने चाहिए, सब girls related videos रहते हैं. So I thought of doing this one, and I got काफ़ी interesting questions. So I've noted down your questions, and also I have those answers with me, like the questions which you are afraid to ask your female friends, your girlfriends, your female best friends, or whatever it may be. So without any further ado, let's get on to the questions. My diary. So the first question which I have got is I'm not going to be mentioning names because मैंने direct book में copy किए, so I don't want to mention any names. If you are watching my video, you know that you have asked this question. So the first question is, do all girls like muscular men? So it is a very interesting question. So the answer to this is if you talk like girls usually get easily attracted towards muscular men because obviously they look more stunning, they look more quite good. So we get attracted towards muscular men more easily. But if you talk about a soulmate, or if you want a partner in your life, then obviously girls don't go for muscular men. Like obviously they won't see only body, they will see personality, nature, their behavior, and many more things. So if you talk about getting a soulmate or getting a partner, then obviously girls don't give first preference to muscularity or something like that. But if you talk about like crush or attraction, so girls easily get attracted towards muscular men. Moving on to the next question, which is गर्ल्स इतने नखरे क्यों दिखाती है. सो ये क्वेश्चन मेरी एक दोस्त ने मुझे पूछा है, हु इज अ गर्ल. बट गर्ल्स नखरे नहीं दिखाएगी तो और कौन दिखाएगा. गर्ल्स आर मेंट टू बी फॉर दैट, एंड इट इज लाइक क्वाइट नॉर्मल. एंड हम उनके सामने ही नखरे दिखाते हैं. हु कैन हैंडल आवर नखरास, हु कैन हैंडल आवर मूड स्विंग्स. सो वी बिहेव इन अ पर्टिकुलर वे इन फ्रंट ऑफ persons whom we know that they will handle and they will not get irritated. तो गर्ल्स नखरे तो दिखाएंगी, उनका मन होता है. नहीं, बॉयज नखरे दिखाते हैं बट उनके सामने दिखाते हैं जो वो हैंडल करेंगे, जो इतने नो कि वो हैंडल कर लेंगे. सो उनके सामने बॉयज नखरे दिखाते हैं, एंड सेम गोज विद गर्ल्स. सो या, सो मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डू गर्ल्स नाउ बट जिसने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा ही नोज इट वेरी वेल. सो आई थिंक some girls do because it's normal. Everyone has feelings, everyone has hormones change and all होता है, तो girls also do that, and it's quite normal. It's not a bad thing or it's not a vulgar thing to be ashamed of. So yeah, the next question is very interesting, which is how to tell a person, like how to tell a girl that you like her without getting into friend zone, like avoiding friend zone. So yeah, ये तो हर घर की कहानी हो गई है. So it's like firstly, if you really like her and you want her to be with you, then firstly show efforts, show love, care, affection. That is the main things which girls want and girls get attracted towards. Looks and all is, I guess for me at least, looks and all comes second, but these things are most like priority, and I think most of the girls, they go for these things. So first show efforts that you really like her, or remember every little thing about her. Then show affection, show love, care, and everything. And then don't directly go and approach के I love you करके या whatever I like you करके. That will be very awkward, weird, and the girl will also not think that you're a genuine person directly coming and telling that way. So first be with her for few days, few months. It may take time, but show her efforts. Try to get to know her as much as you can. Try to get to know everything about her. and then take a step further, like try to get to know about every little thing and try to get to know what kind of guys she likes, so you may change according to that. And also get to know if she's into someone, she likes someone else or something like that. If she likes someone else, then it is very difficult, but if she doesn't like someone, she doesn't has a crush on, or if she's not into someone, then your chances are really high. So don't go directly. अगर आप ऐसा करोगे तो friendship तो lose करोगे ही, ऊपर से you will look very cheap despo type. And if she likes someone else, then maybe you can try and उसको रास्ते से हटा के अपना सेट कर सकते हो. So these things are mostly girls like, and maybe there are chances that she'll fall for you, but don't directly go and approach. That will be the worst thing you could do. You lose your friendship and your love too. So the next question is best qualities you look for in a man. Again the same thing. Personally, if I talk about me, I would look for personality, his nature, his understanding, his efforts towards me, his care, the way he behaves in public, the way he is with his family, the way he has to, like the way he portrays himself is like not a chhapri nippa types. Sorry if someone got offended, but a gentleman. So best qualities girls look for in a man is mostly that. Looks and all count second, it's okay, but these things are the first thing. At least if I talk about me, then these things are the most important things which girls would look for in a man. Yeah, so the next question is a funny, honest and loyal guy better than a rich and handsome guy? Like what would girls prefer? So obviously I would say that a funny, loyal and honest guy is 100 times better than a handsome and rich guy if he's not loyal or trustworthy, because loyalty and trust is the main thing in a relationship, or be it in a friendship or anything. So obviously girls would prefer a loyal, funny because he'll keep her happy, honest, and honesty and loyalty everyone wants. Obviously if I am honest, I would demand honesty and loyalty from the person who I'm with. So obviously girls will prefer a funny and a loyal and an honest guy rather than a rich or handsome guy. Boys think that girls go for money, girls go for looks, but it's not like that. I feel 90% of the girls go for nature, personality, his behavior, and funny, honesty, loyalty. Girls go for that mostly, but it's a wrong thinking that girls only fall for money, girls are gold diggers. It's everyone's mentality, it's everyone's thinking. But if you talk generally, girls will obviously choose a funny, honest and a loyal guy rather than a handsome and rich guy. Yeah, so moving on to the next question, which is again the similar one to the previous जो मैंने answer किया था 2-3 questions के पहले. So the question is how to avoid friend zone. So again the same thing, it's the most difficult thing for boys. So friend zone avoid करने के लिए the same thing which I told is show efforts, show love, show your care, affection, show her that you really like her. And one thing is, like, you are into her and you don't want anyone else, or you are not falling for anyone else when you are with her, when you like her, because no girl would like a man who is into her, who is telling her that he or she likes her, and also telling same thing and behaving the same way with 10 other girls. If you're making her feel special, then it's not the same way with 10 other girls, and obviously she won't like it. So make her feel special, make her feel that you really like her, she's really important to you. Share things with her, share your secrets, share everything. Then be honest and be loyal. That is the main thing I forgot to tell in the previous one. Trust her and she will trust you in return. Show efforts. Take like girls always notice little things, so remember little things about them, and they always keep in mind that this person remembers everything, so they like those people more. And make her feel special, give her attention, because girls always like attention. And I feel that that way she will get attracted towards you, but don't directly approach, वरना तो फिर friend zone ही होने वाले हो. So take time, get to know everything, then it will be easier. So I told you all which qualities girls like, so now maybe it can be easier for you. Yeah, so the next question is I don't know, someone has asked that why do girls get so irritated and annoyed during their periods, like why they are so hyper. So see, periods are something that part of the month is horrible. Girls get irritated and annoyed very easily because we get mood swings, and the main reason is cramps. We can't bear the cramps. If I would say the worst thing if I would say the worst thing I could, like, in my life I have to bear is period pain, period cramps. Even a fracture I could bear that amount of pain that we get, so we can't handle that, and it's really really annoying. And even if we don't get cramps, but the whole day is like we get mood swings. We sometimes we are happy, the next second we are sad, and ऐसा होता रहता है. तो बहुत mood swings आते हैं. That's the reason we get irritated, and that is a natural thing. हमारे अंदर से होता है, हम purposely वो चीज़ बाहर नहीं लाते. So I don't know, like you're saying कि क्यों girls ऐसे रहती है, because we get cramps, we get pain, we are irritated with all those things, and we can't handle, and mood swings आते रहते हैं. So that's why we are irritated. And so because of that, we are really stressed about that. We can't handle, we really cry that we should not get. And obviously every girl gets that thought during the periods that I wish I could be a boy, that I wish I could not get cramps, and all those thoughts running in their mind. So that's why they are irritated with all those cramps, all those mood swings, and also that is the reason girls are irritated. And you have to be a little patient. Even if she's irritated at that time, you have to be patient and polite in those days, so that she will also understand. वो थोड़ा कंट्रोल हो जाएगी. If she is irritated और आप भी अगर चिल्ला रहे हो तो then कुछ फायदा नहीं हो रहा है. You should understand in those days especially. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. This was a few bunch of questions that I got from my friends and from some boys. I hope you guys found it interesting, and I hope that you got all the answers to your questions. If you want me to do more such Q&A videos, then do let me know in the comment section. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. We are so close to 250, so please guys do subscribe and share it with your friends or boys or anyone you would like to do. And that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.